Hi everybody and welcome back. It's been a little while since I've been at the bench, probably 2 or 3 weeks. Been doing a lot of yard work and just taking a break. But I'm finally getting this Master Box figures kit series done. As you saw last time with just the finishing touches to put on. So I've got the 3 figures completed and all together here and faces painted and so on. There's just a little suitcase and the dog that comes with it. I haven't finished those yet. I have to get some color on those. I'm going to try and turn this turntable here without these, hopefully, the figures falling over. As you can see, they need to be leaning. She needs to be leaning on something, and this doesn't seem to be working too well. Try and tape that in place. This one here, kind of done up to look like Betty from the Archie's comics. I'm going to try and put her with my Archie's jalopy build that I did a little while back. Yeah, she needs to be leaning on something. This one here, it's leaning. She's leaning on this tire here. Just need to straighten it up a little bit. I can do that without knocking her over. Oops, there she goes. Yeah, they're a little tricky. They have to be leaning on something. But I have it built that it'll lean on that tire. Maybe I'll try that. And then the other one, the green one, I'm probably going to use that in the military build with a Jeep or my hospital truck or something like that that's in my collection. So I painted those up. They go together pretty well. A little bit of seam work to do and a little bit of fidgeting. There's no alignment marks for when you're putting the arms and body parts on. It's just kind of move it around so it looks like it fits the best, and then you'll know it's in the right place. But they do paint up. They're fun to paint, and it does add some interest to the display. I like to have a few figures in with my model builds. That adds to the look on when I'm displaying them, and just gives it some personality. So I urge you to get these. They're from Ukraine, Master Box. I bought these a year ago. I ordered it right from the Ukraine. I forget the website offhand, but there she goes again. So I just that'll be the final video on this group build. So it's come along quite well. I just have to find where I'm going to add them into my display case now with my other builds. Maybe I stack the tires the other way. There. Anyway, we're losing it here. So I'll let you all go, and we'll see you again soon. It made it all the way around.